We have interrupted your programming to bring you the emergency broadcasting system. Nuclear missiles has been detected from countries such as China, North Korea, Russia, Iran, Iraq, Afghanistan, and many more, and they are expected to strike Australia within 10 minutes due to unconfirmed facts about the missile.
Television was on, and now
Here are some steps to survive. Number 1, gather your loved ones and get them into a safe place. Number 2, also grab things like your mobile phone and charger, a stereo, and take them with you. Number 3, if you're unable to find a stereo, then turn on the television to Channel 6 News to stay updated.